everyone, welcome to your channel Edu Corner. Today I will show you how you can edit your video using a professional video editor in your Android phone. It's free, there is no watermark and it's easy to use. So watch this video completely. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and also join to our Telegram channel for any new updates. So this software is very useful when you want to edit your video in a spare time. So when you are free, when you don't want to use laptop continuously, in that case you can use this video editor software in your Android phone. Let's start our video. Open your Play Store and type VN Editor app. So this is an application, this is software. Click this and install. I have already installed it, so I will open this VN Editor. So when you open this VN Editor, you will get this interface. All the edited videos will be listed here, previously edited videos. To create a new project, click on a plus sign on the bottom. Here you can see new project. So in a free version, I said it's a free, in a free version you can edit only 100 projects, okay, and that 100 projects will be stored here. And if you delete these projects, again you can start editing from 100. Now it is showing only 73 because the remaining videos edited videos are in his list. So if I delete this, then again I can start editing from 100 project. Click on new project and select a video which you want to edit. So what I will do, I will choose any video and I'll click select. So that video will be loaded into your software. Here you can see it looks like a professional video editing software which you were using in your laptop. The first top line is for music or a sound or a voice recorder. Second one is to add a text. Third one is to add a video or a photo. And last one is a image. Okay, you can play the image, you can stop an image, and you can move. Okay, you can move a video also. If you want to add a music, then click on music symbol. So there you have a 3 options: music, effect and record. If you want to record your voice, you can click record and you can start speaking. You can add an effect also, or you can add a music also. If I want to add a music, click on music and add any music which you want. Okay, so I will try to add, say, string. Okay, so it's processing. It will take a bit time to process. Once processing is done, the music is added to your video. So one thing here you have to remember is the length of the music depends on the length of your video. Since my length of video is only 9 seconds, I guess, so that is why it's selected only 9.52. So you can, if you want to choose a portion of audio, so you can move the audio section and you can select wherever you want. If I want to select this portion, so I have to move here, and if you want to vary volume also, you can change, then click OK. So then that portion of audio is selected. Okay, now if you want to add a title, so click on title and add heading or subheading. Select a format, whichever format you want, then click on edit. Click on edit. So once you click on edit, then you can add the heading you want. Okay, I'll type welcome to Edu Corner. Okay, so now this is how you can add a title, and also you can change its font. Okay, whichever font you can choose that font. You can change its color. I can change its color. Okay, and also some other alignment if you want, that also you can do. So once you click on that particular text, you will get all these options. Motions, keyframe, you can duplicate this text and you can copy to next line. So if I click duplicate, you can see there are two text which is duplicated. I can move and place in next by next. Okay, in the same way you can do it for your song also or a music also. And also you have a chroma key option. So if I click, if I want to add any green screen, so I will scroll down and I will try to select, see, I will select this subscribe option. Okay, I will move wherever I want. So then at the bottom you have chroma, and select that particular area and click OK. You can increase the size also. So you can see you can do chroma key option also. And if you want to cut the particular part, so then place this vertical line wherever you want, and at the bottom you have a split, template, filter, speed and split. So click on split and delete whichever portion you want to delete. So I will delete this, and if I want to delete this also, I can delete this one. And also you can change clip speed. You can change the clip speed here. You can trim. Okay, and one more thing is, if you have audio in video, you can extract its audio also. So you can see video is here and its audio is here. If you don't want that audio, you can click on that particular audio and click delete. So once your editing is done, if you want to export a video, on top right you have either save or export. And also you want to change the property, you can click, if you want it original 16:9 for Instagram, for TikTok, whichever size you want you can change. Okay, once it is done, you want to export, click on export button, and if you don't change anything, let it be, then click OK. So it will start exporting a video. It will take a bit time, and you can give any name which you want, then click save to album. Okay, it will be saved here. Now if you see here, it shows only 71 is remaining. Okay, so now if I go to my file manager, videos, so I will open the video which I have edited just now. So you can see how beautifully it is edited. So that's all for in this video. If you like this video editor, using this video editor in your mobile phone, please click a like button and share with your friends also, and also share your comments in comment section. Thank you.